Hi guys, welcome to CAD CA tutorial. Today we are going to see and use okay we are going to see and use pad command in CATIA. Okay, today you can see here CATIA lecture 17 is discussed here, and this is a first 3D parts is discussed here. CATIA all 3D commands learn easily, and today's CATIA lecture 17 is a start here, and first part is pad, and you can see here first part is pad and next lecture is coming, and one by one all tools, all 3D commands use one by one. And okay, at first open a CATIA software and you can this is our CATIA software interface, and first point is a all 3D commands you can see here, and learn one by one and easily and deeply and clearly. Okay, at first point is a pad, and second is a drafted filleted pad, third is multi-pad. Okay, one by one discuss here. At first select a plane, and plane is a XY plane, and select sketch. Okay, and any sketch design any sketch, and I think first I a sketch is rectangle. Okay, select exit workbench. Okay, this is a three parts is active. First is pad, second is drafted filleted pad, third is multi-pad. Okay, first select a pad. This at first select a pad, click a pad, then all point is active, and length is 20 millimeter. Okay, and this first LIM1 means limit first, and this is a limit second. Okay, this is a length is increase, the value is 30. Okay, and this is a pad, and this is a 3D parts, this is a 3D object, and double click here, and again you can see here this diagram is pop up. Okay, first of all first is dimension, second is up to next, up to last, up to plane, up to surface, and all is say here, and use when need this all points, then use clearly. Okay, and this dimension is a mirror. Okay, this is a mirror is this is a select a preview, check a preview, and preview is a this is okay. And this double click here, and this this is a mirror is uncheck, and this is a preview is select okay. And this double click here, and this reverse direction means this is a reverse direction, check a preview is you can see here, and this is a reverse direction, preview is you can see here. Okay, this is a checkpoint, and this point is this body, right click property, and property is a graphic color change. Okay, pink color. Okay, better, and this is a preview, and select a thickness. Okay, all is you can learn one by one, and select a thickness point is a first limit and second limit. Okay, first limit is you can say here 30 mm, this body is this 3D body is complete here, and second body length is 4, increase the value. Okay, increase the value, and this is a preview is showing here. This is a thickness is a 2 3. Okay, preview is showing. Okay, and this is a okay. This 1 mm is default value setting. 1 mm is default value setting. Already is thickness 1 mm and increase. Okay, this is a okay, and this body is a thickness. Okay, and double click here, and so increase the thickness for okay, and this is a second length, second limit length is 4, and then this is a preview is showing. This is a okay, and double click here, and this is a thickness 2. Thickness 2 means outside. Thickness first is inside and thickness 2 is outside. This is a preview and showing okay. And all is okay. This is a reverse direction is checking here, and preview is showing okay. This is already preview is showing okay, and this is a mirror means, and this preview is okay, and double click here. Okay, this is a mirror uncheck, and preview is okay. Guys, CATIA lecture 17 is completed and paid all point discussed here, and CATIA lecture 18th is coming soon, and okay guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you.